Just been going through a box of old telephony equipment that my neighbours were going to chuck out, and yeah, I thought this looked pretty interesting, except it's missing obviously the microphone part. Thought it'd be nice to try and get that back together. Looks like we just need a couple of little screws. Yep. It's metal. Is it? Let's just notice it comes off. Or it spins at least. No, that's just a cover, I'd say. Does it? Maybe. Weird. Oh my god, I saw one of these a second ago. Oh, it's a diaphragm. Look at that. Lucky I kept it. Huh. Isn't that cool? This sits up here. I'm sure you've seen those on some old TV shows. Actually, maybe we can have a look under here as well. So let's have a quick look under here. There's just going to be a couple of connections. Nice old screw. Love the flatheads. And the wires really just disappear. There is a little slot here that I guess lines up with that, like that, in case the bit of, yeah, now it's sealed around the edge properly. That's why I had trouble screwing it in. Amateur hour here. Now I'm just going to put this in here. I'm not going to wire it up because I'm not going to use it. I've only found two screws that kind of fit into here that are flatheads, and I'm just going to use those. It's got 4 holes, but I don't think we need to put all 4 in because we're not going to be using it at all. Probably even get away with 1, but I just hate working with flatheads too. Thank you for the Phillips head screwdrivers, or Phillips head screws. So that's 1. Kind of doesn't look out of place, I suppose. I think it came out pretty well. Sort of a nice brown tinge around the metal parts. And when you look at the cabling, aren't those loops cool? If I can focus on them. There we are. Focus in. Aren't they neat? Market fine.